A common question arises when starting a student's annual PTP. When does a teacher use revised submitted PTP, and in what instances should create a new PTP be used? Under the tab Manage PTPs, you will find the options of Create a new PTP, Finish in Process PTPs, and Revise a submitted PTP. You will select Create a new PTP if this is the student's first PTP in your district. If you have started a PTP but have not locked and submitted it, you will find the PTP in the Finish in Process PTP. In all other cases, you will select Revise a submitted PTP for students who have a PTP already in the application from a previous school year in your district. Middle school teachers who have 13-year-olds who will be turning 14 will be the primary users of the Create a New PTP option. There are a few other instances when Create New is used. There are 3 types of student situations in which you will use the Create New tab to begin a brand new PTP for a student. First, when a student is just turning 14 and this is their first PTP. Second, when you have a new transfer to your district, the sending district will send you a hard copy of the PTP, but the application will not allow transfers between districts in the application itself. And then lastly, when you have a new initial IEP meeting for a student over the age of 14. In all other situations, you will use the Revise Submitted tab to make changes to a PTP that is already in the application. Once you select the Revise Submitted tab and locate the student, you will have the choice to select Annual, Revised with a meeting, or Revised without a meeting. Please make sure that you are selecting the appropriate type of meeting based on the student invite. If you find that you cannot change the meeting date, it means that one of the revision options was selected instead of the annual option. Only annual PTPs allow for dates to be changed on the PTP. One reason that you want to use the Revised Submitted PTP is so that once you review the student's transition services from last year, you can edit the transition services and select a box in the Edit feature for Completed. This feature allows school districts to verify that transition services listed in the prior year's PTP were indeed provided to the student. Another area that benefits from using the Revised Submitted feature of the PTP is the course of study. Previous year's information is held and upcoming year's information can be added without having to retype any previous year's entries.